Welcome to Voromotors. Today we're going to be going over the entire process of how to make purchases on our online web store. Make sure to stick around to find out how you can get extended warranty or even route trip protection with any purchase of a scooter. All right, let's get started.
First, let's start by opening up your web browser and going to voromotors.com. Once you land on the home page, we can go ahead and hover your mouse above the electric scooters tab at the top. Once you're able to do that, you can now choose the scooter model of your choice. In this case, we'll be using the Kaabo Mantis Pro for this demonstration. Once you click on the scooter of your choice, you can now choose the options for your scooter if applicable. Also, you do have the option to add up to 3 years of extended warranty through Extends Protection Plan. This is separate from the standard 1-year warranty that comes included with the purchase of your scooter. Extend Protection provides coverage against mechanical or electrical failure, and even defects or failures caused by normal wear and tear. Upon a successful claim with Extend, you don't just get your scooter repaired, you get credits equivalent to your original spending, which you could then use to get a brand new scooter or add in a little cash to upgrade to another scooter of your choice. If you wish to not add the extended warranty at the time of purchase, you will be sent an email with a link to do so within the first 30 days. Now, let's go ahead and add the scooter to the cart. You will notice a sidebar will show up with your scooter in the cart. From there, you have the option to add any other suggested accessories that you may like. Or you can change the quantity of the item by clicking on the plus and minus symbol on the side of each item. Keep in mind that your total will update at the bottom while you're choosing your options. For this example, we're going to go ahead and add the Suomi motorcycle gloves to the cart. Once it's added, we can go ahead and move on to our full scooter accessories page. You can find our accessories by hovering your mouse above the Parts and Accessories tab. Once you get to the accessories page, you can now choose the type of accessory you're looking for based on the model of the scooter or the category. We'll go ahead and click on the Mantis Pro accessories in this case. I'll also go ahead and click on anti-theft for this example as well. Now, let's go ahead and add the key cable lock to our cart for this demonstration. For our next item, we're going to go ahead and choose the accessory based on the category as opposed to the model of the scooter. Let's go ahead and click on helmets. After the page loads, you will notice it shows a Reserve Now button as opposed to the Add to Cart option. Clicking Reserve Now will still add the item to complete your purchase, and then we will ship you the item immediately once it's available. Now that we've added all the scooters and accessories that we would like to purchase, we can now proceed by clicking on Checkout. But before doing so, you will have to agree to our terms and conditions stated in the warranty and return policy. If you wish to fully read our terms and conditions, you can do so by navigating to the footer of our page and clicking on both the warranty and return policies. This will redirect you to your checkout summary page where you'll be able to enter your contact and shipping information. You also have the option of adding or removing the route trip protection to your order by clicking here at the top. Route Trip Protection is another company that provides simple packaging, tracking, and order protection service at a small and reasonable cost. This is really beneficial for those who are looking to protect their high-value purchases. If you go back to our main page, you can learn more by scrolling down at the footer of the page and clicking on Route Protection. You can now then proceed with filling out your best contact email and the rest of your shipping address. Once you have that information filled out, we can proceed by clicking on Continue to Shipping. From there, you'll be able to choose your best shipping method along with the best shipping rates. Once you make your selection, you can then proceed by clicking on Continue to Payment. For those that have a gift card or a discount code, you can enter the code by clicking in the box here and clicking Apply. Once you apply the code, you will see the discount active. In addition, we have a first responder discount. If you are a first responder or served in the military, kindly send us a message on our live chat and we'll be happy to help you get 7% off of the EMOVE touring. Once the page reloads, you will now see a list of different payment methods such as card, Shop Pay, and PayPal. There's also different financing options available such as Affirm or Catapult if you prefer to pay over time. Please keep in mind that any payment option you choose other than the card option will redirect you to their website to complete the purchase. Also keep in mind that any problems you occur with Shop Pay, PayPal, Affirm, and Catapult during the payment process will have to be taken up directly with them. And once you're able to choose your payment method, you can now complete your purchase by clicking on Complete Order.
After completing your purchase, you should be receiving a confirmation email that contains your tracking order number. Here at Voromotors, we try our best to make sure items ship out within 1 business day. However, depending on where you live, it might take between 3 to 5 business days. In addition, we do offer free shipping on new electric scooter orders that reach a minimum of $800, excluding Hawaii and Alaska. For everywhere else in the world, The minimum for free shipping is $3,000 orders. However, if you want to learn more about our shipping rates and estimates, you can click the shipping policy on the footer of our webpage. If you would like to schedule a virtual tour with one of our techs, you can also find this on the footer of our webpage by clicking on schedule a virtual tour, or check out the video in the top left corner. For all other common questions, make sure to click the FAQ page that is also located on our website's footer. If you found that helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, or hit that bell so you never miss any notifications from Voromotors. Lastly, make sure to check out one of our many online communities where our riders share tips and tricks daily. Thanks for watching.